In the past, everyone had this plant on their windowsill at home. It's known for its invaluable medicinal properties, and growing it is incredibly easy. A simple brush of its leaves fills the air with a lovely scent. And ginkgo, or scented geranium, is a forgotten plant for many. Loved by herbalists for its medicinal uses, it can be used to treat colds, inflammation, and migraines. In this video, I'll show you how to use it. Place a leaf of this plant in your ear, and the inflammation and pain will fade away. This natural remedy fights bacteria and viruses, while also reducing swelling. It has pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects. Simply crush one leaf in your hands to release its juice, roll it up, and insert it into your sore ear. Keep it in for 15 minutes and remove it. Repeat as needed for relief. You can also make a health tincture from ginkgo's leaves. Gather a handful of leaves, cut them into strips to release their juices, and place them in a jar. Cover with a cup of vodka, mix well, and store in a dark, cool place for 2 weeks, shaking daily. After 2 weeks, strain and transfer the tincture to a sterilized bottle. This tincture is used to relieve rheumatic pains and colds. A tea made from its leaves works wonders too. It helps alleviate upper respiratory infection symptoms. Just place the leaves in a cup, add a few cloves, and pour hot water over it. This brew soothes a sore throat, and using it as a mouthwash can help with toothaches, gum inflammation, and bad breath. The plant also improves air quality, emitting essential oils that benefit the respiratory system. Its scent repels mosquitoes, flies, and ticks, making it perfect for the terrace or kitchen window. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You can find more natural recipes and valuable tips on our channel. Put pineapple in foot bath. That's what rich people do. The effects are better than at a beautician's. Take 1 pineapple and peel it. Cut slices with a knife. Pineapple is used in cosmetics. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Then, cut the fruit into pieces. In cosmetics with its ingredients, you'll find it under the name bromelain. Pineapple fruit is a great exfoliating ingredient. Put it in a blender and cover with water. Then, blend it into a pulp. Put pineapple peels in a pot. Cover with water. Add a handful of cloves. They have anti-wrinkle properties. They help stimulate circulation. Then, add a few bay leaves. Another ingredient is Epsom salt. It owes its valuable properties to the magnesium and sulfur ions it contains. Cut a lemon in half and add it to the pot. Mix everything and heat over medium heat. After 15 minutes, let it cool down. Pour the resulting essence into a bowl. Also add pineapple with water. Then, put your feet in it. Such a bath is pleasant and has a brilliant effect. It helps exfoliate the skin and has antibacterial properties. It helps reduce swelling of the feet. It helps get rid of ingrown nails and inflammations. The skin is soft and refreshed without using a pumice stone. Place a bay leaf on your hands. This is what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful for more than just cooking. If you struggle with joint pain, pain in your hands or shoulders, this remedy works better than smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this to ease their pains. Simply take a glove and put a few bay leaves inside, then go to sleep. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves help relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also soothe muscle pain and help with sprains and strains. How does it work? The glove creates a higher temperature through contact with the skin, causing the leaves to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people are still unaware of it and waste money on ointments. It's worth trying this method before turning to chemical remedies from the pharmacy.
Laurel leaf is 100 times more potent than Botox. Here's a recipe for a mask that fills wrinkles and moisturizes the skin. You only need a few ingredients to make it at home. To start, you'll need 10 dried bay leaves. This popular spice contains valuable antioxidants that help maintain a youthful appearance for longer. The bay leaf mask will tighten the skin, make it firmer, smoother, even out the complexion, and shrink pores. Measure out 200 milliliters of water and pour it into a saucepan. Heat it on the stove until the water boils and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After this time, the infusion should have a light brown color. Pour it into a bowl and let it cool. Strain the leaves and place them on a paper towel. They'll be useful for the second recipe, which I'll show you later in this video. To thicken the cream, we'll use cornstarch. It's a safe and natural ingredient. Add 2 tablespoons to the bay leaf infusion and mix it thoroughly to avoid lumps. Heat the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly. Slowly reduce the substances until it thickens. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of aloe vera. You can buy it at any drugstore, and it has a strong moisturizing effect. Next, add a tablespoon of almond oil and a tablespoon of honey. Honey has a smoothing, nourishing, and fine wrinkle-reducing effect. Mix everything thoroughly. Add 10 drops of vitamin E to the cream. Transfer everything to a glass container. Apply the cream to cleansed facial, neck, and hand skin in the evening. It has an incredibly rich texture. To allow the ingredients to be absorbed, leave it on overnight. Rinse your skin with lukewarm water in the morning. You'll see results with regular use. Store this in the fridge for 7 days. You can also use the leaves from the infusion. Tear them into small pieces and put them in a blender. Grind them into a fine powder. Transfer to a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of oat flakes to the blender and blend. Add this to the bowl with the bay leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix. Leave it for 10 minutes to soak. Use this mixture as a cleansing scrub. Apply it to dry hand skin. Massage gently in a circular motion and then rinse with lukewarm water.
You'll never hear ringing in your ears again. This simple trick will help you get rid of this unpleasant problem. First, you'll need bay leaves. Either dried or fresh will work. Take a pitcher and cut about 10 bay leaves. Then, prepare 200 milliliters of warm water and pour it into the pitcher with the leaves. Pour the mixture into a pot and simmer on low heat for 10 minutes to activate the leaves' properties. After this time, strain the mixture through a sieve into a bowl, setting aside the leaves. Wait for the mixture to cool. Once it has, take a piece of cotton wool, roll it up, soak it in the mixture, and squeeze out the excess. Now insert the cotton into your ear. Thanks to the properties of bay leaves, all discomforts like ringing in the ears and ear infections will disappear. Take care of your ear health by using this natural method. All it takes is a few mint leaves, and you won't be spending money at the pharmacy anymore. My grandmother always did this. Mint is known for its soothing and cooling properties. If you grow mint on your balcony, even better. It won't have any harmful substances. Pick a few leaves. When your feet are tired and you want to reduce swelling or discomfort, start with a gentle massage. This will stimulate circulation and relax your feet. Grab some socks that you can sleep in. Put them on and slip a few mint leaves into each sock. If possible, keep the mint leaves in overnight, or at least for 4 hours. Mint has antibacterial properties, which will help eliminate foot odor, and it will also improve the quality of your sleep. The aromatic properties of mint will provide relaxation and better sleep. This trick will help you sleep better. Putting mint leaves in your socks overnight has numerous health benefits.